The iPad 3 release date has all but been confirmed by Apple recently. To make it even more certain, there are leaks of iPad 3 parts becoming available as the iPad 3 release date comes closer and closer. One of the biggest rumors and discussion points for the iPad 3 release was the display. There were many rumors that made it look like the newest device would not include an improved display. Macrumors has made probably the biggest discovery of the iPad 3 rumor circuit. Macrumors reports that they were able to obtain an iPad 3 screen from its source. They took this display and examined it under a microscope. This was done to attempt to determine if the display was in fact a high-resolution Retina display. Physically, the display of the iPad 3 is the same as the screen currently included in the iPad 2. Apparently, to the naked eye they are almost exactly the same. The differences appear when you look at the display under a microscope. The difference in resolution becomes easily apparent, with the iPad 3 display's pixels being 1/4 the size of the iPad 2. Macrumors does not mention how they obtained the iPad 3 display, nor is there proof that is actually from the iPad 3. They however are a dependable source for pretty much anything Mac related. They had no way to power the actual display and are relying solely on what was determined via the microscope. As you can see from the images from Macrumor, they take a 2x2 section from the iPad 2 and then iPad 3. The iPad 3 has occupied by 16 pixels compared to the 4 pixels of the iPad 2. If true, this would mean the iPad 3 is being released with a 2048x1536 resolution display, 4 times the current iPad 1 and iPad 2, which are 1024x760.